मुझसे जुड़े रहने के लिए मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना न भूलें। मुझसे गुस्सा क्यों करते हो यार? Why are you cross with me, friend? Why are you cross with me, friend? आपे से बाहर क्यों हो रहे हो? Why are you losing your temper? Why are you losing your temper? देखो, मुझे गुस्सा मत दिला। Look, don't make me angry. Look, don't make me angry. सावधान, दोबारा मत बोलना। Beware, don't utter it again. Beware, don't utter it again. मैंने तुम्हारा क्या बिगाड़ा है? What wrong have I done to you? What wrong have I done to you? उस समय तो मैं गुस्सा पी गया। I bottled my anger at that moment. I bottled my anger at that moment. उसने तुम्हारे बारे में बहुत ही गलत बोला। She made a bitchy comment about you. She made a bitchy comment about you. घुमा फिरा कर बात मत करो। Be straightforward. Be straightforward. लानत है तुम पर। Shame on you. Shame on you. बेशर्मी की भी कोई सीमा होती है। Is there any limit to your shamelessness? Is there any limit to your shamelessness? अब तुम मेरे दुश्मन हो गए। Now you turned against me. Now you turned against me. मुझे तुम्हारी सब करतूतें पता है। I know all your misdeeds. I know all your misdeeds. तुम अपनी बात पर अड़े रहोगे, इसलिए अब इस बात को छोड़ दो। You won't budge, so forget it. You won't budge, so forget it. हमारे बीच कुछ बातों को लेकर असहमति है। We don't agree on some issues. We don't agree on some issues. ऐसी बात मत बोलना। I object to your remark. I object to your remark. तुम बड़े गुस्सैल हो। You are very hot-tempered. You are very hot-tempered. मैं इससे ज़्यादा कुछ नहीं जानती। I can make neither head nor tail of it. I can make neither head nor tail of it. ओह, तो समस्या यहाँ पर है। Oh, that's where the shoe pinches. Oh, that's where the shoe pinches. आखिरकार सच सामने आ ही गया। At least the truth has come out. At least the truth has come out. मैं बुरी तरह हताश महसूस कर रही हूँ। I feel like tearing my hair out. I feel like tearing my hair out. तुमने मुझे अंधेरे में रखा। You kept me in the dark. You kept me in the dark. तुमने मेरे साथ झगड़ा शुरू कर दिया। You began to fight with me. You begin to fight with me. बेहतर होगा हम इस पर अधिक ध्यान न दें. Let us not give undue importance to this. Let us not give undue importance to this. अब लड़ाई खत्म कर दो. Announce a ceasefire now. Announce a ceasefire now. मैं कपड़े तह कर रही हूँ. I am folding the clothes. I am folding the clothes. मुझे 1 किलो चीनी तोल दो. Weigh me 1 kg of sugar. Weigh me 1 kg of sugar. नीचे गिरा हुआ मत खाओ. Don't eat whatever food is dropped on the floor. Don't eat whatever food is dropped on the floor. मैं उसे नहलाती हूँ. I make him bath. I make him bath. मैं उसे पोंछती हूँ. I wipe him dry. I wipe him dry. मैं उसे तैयार करती हूँ. I get him ready. I get him ready. बोतल का ढक्कन लगा दो. Close the bottle lid. Close the bottle lid. चाकू मत लो, लग जाएगा. Don't take the knife as you may injure yourself. Don't take the knife as you may injure yourself. आगे आकर बैठ जाओ. Come forward and sit down. Come forward and sit down. चरण स्पर्श. Foot wish. Foot wish. मुझे पसीना आ रहा है. I am sweating. I am sweating. मैं कुछ दिनों से देख रही हूँ कि आप मुझसे उखड़े उखड़े रहते हैं. I have been looking for a few days that you abstain me. I have been looking for a few days that you abstain me. दादी जी को मेरा प्रणाम. My greetings to Granny. My greetings to Granny. हम उसके शुभ चिंतक हैं. We are well wishers of him. We are well wishers of him. ज़्यादा भोले मत बनो. Don't be so innocent. Don't be so innocent. मैं तुम पर सबसे ज़्यादा भरोसा करती हूँ. I trust you more than everyone. I trust you more than everyone.